Okay, so today we're going to be talking about the red hot Parker HV 20-inch bolts that comes in a 6-pack with the 2-inch fusion vanes. Now for Parker bows or crossbows, actually it's just for crossbows. You can use any of the arrows and the Parker bows, but in their crossbow line they have that safety mechanism, so it's highly suggested that you use the actual red hot Parker bolts because they were designed for that safety function. It has that capture knock technology, and by that what I mean is the Parkers are set up, the crossbows, so that you cannot have accidental discharge, and here is where the string goes and that knock, and it engages that, letting that bow know, or that crossbow know that there is actually something inside of that chamber and it is ready to go. Now a regular knock, this is not one, and you see the difference in these. It's very short and stubby, and so sometimes that will not engage and allowing nothing to happen, or it could push it to release and then you can have an ND with that as well. So I decided to go with the red hots for my crossbow. Always have shot them and it works. I haven't had any issues at all whatsoever. They also fit, even though that these are designed for the Parker bows, they also fit Orton, they fit 10-point, Barnett, Carbon Express, Excalibur, and Wicked Ridge. So pretty much everybody that's out there. And it definitely will take a regular field point as well as your broadheads. They fly, in my experience, these guys fly just as well as your practice points. So there you go with that. Now what I was talking about, back up in here, this is where that knock is going to go, and it lets it know that there is something in here, and you have that much more material to engage and let that know. So it just slides right in all the way back to the back, and then you are ready to rock and roll safely. So safety is always a huge measure that you have to take, especially if you're around other people. Always safety, because you never know what's going to happen, and you will be held criminally and liably in case something does happen. Now these are high performance crossbow bolts, which means that you are able to hunt with them and you are able to practice with them, which is why I have these practice tips, and then I have the broadhead tips here. These are my hunting arrows, these are my practice arrows, and they fly exactly the same. They're wrapped carbon construction. It's kind of pretty. It's wrapped carbon, and I haven't had any of these fracture, break, or anything. They have a heavy duty brass forward weight. So all in all, see that as brass, and then your points just go right in there. I'm shooting 100 grains total in the end of that, and it takes it into account. You need, depending on what state you're in, you need between 350 to 400 grains, and this is pretty much legal in each state. If it's not, then you can just get a heavier broadhead for another 0.25, and then you'll be out there and you'll be able to rock and roll, and you'll be able to stay legal. It's very strong, durable. It does have little bends, so it can absorb a lot of that shock. Straightness tolerance is plus or minus 0.003. The shaft weight itself by itself is 9.6 and is fleshed with these 2-inch vanes. Now these vanes, I hadn't shot these before. I had shot regular 2-inch vanes that has the more rounded edge, and I didn't know how I was going to like that, and I am going to say that it works perfectly fine. It's very accurate. It has increased accuracy, as a matter of fact, and that enhanced safety is something that we all are striving for. Now, it has 50-yard groups with capture knocks, and I'm going to say that that is very accurate. At about 50 yards, I'm able to get in bullseye each and every time. These guys have actually been laser checked for consistent straightness and spine tolerance. They've been balanced, optimum balance for the FOC, for superior downrange accuracy, and the 2.1 fusion vanes. They're aerodynamic and they steer that capability, and it even tells you right there, this side down, so you know which way to go. You don't even have a way to screw it up. They've thought of everything. Now these knocks, like I was saying before, this is the biggest piece of why you should get these if you're shooting a Parker, because they ensure that proper arrow and string alignment, and increases accuracy, and it avoids accidental dry fires. Now these also, even though they're light, they have 60% more material than your run-of-the-mill everyday carbon bolt. So you are good to go with that, and it has that capture knot, which I can't stress the importance of that anymore. What else? Oh, these are 20 inches long. 20 inches long, which is your suggested bolt that you would use. You don't want anything longer or shorter. The outside diameter is 3.50, finished weight 400 grains, threaded insert is 1132. So it fits your regular size. That's a standard size insert right there, so you can take them off your bow and you can use it for that too. These guys come out of Virginia and it's good to go. So anyway, there you have it. Red hot 20-inch high velocity crossbow arrows. Parker, all day long. You guys shoot safe, shoot straight.